Is your bedroom lacking in the spark department? Do you feel like the passion has fizzled out? You might not need a relationship coach. You might just need better Feng Shui. Today, we'll explore how to ignite love and romance using one powerful force, the fire element. Hi, I'm Sandeep Raut, and welcome to this channel for creating harmony, prosperity, and joy using time-tested Feng Shui wisdom. Today's focus? Romance and passion, and how the element of fire in Feng Shui plays a major role in attracting love, intimacy, and connection in your life. Whether you're in a relationship or looking to attract one, these tips can help you turn your bedroom into a haven of passion and warmth. So, let's get started. In Feng Shui, fire is one of the 5 essential elements, and it represents passion, vitality, joy, emotional connection. Fire energy warms relationships, fuels attraction, and brings intensity and spark, qualities essential for romantic connection. Too little fire? Things may feel cold, stagnant, or disconnected. Too much fire? It can cause arguments or emotional imbalance. So, it's about balance, but also about inviting the flame in, thoughtfully. Let's talk about the bedroom, the most sacred zone for love and relationships in Feng Shui. Here's how you can bring the fire element into your space for better intimacy and connection. Colors that ignite. Use romantic tones like red, orange, and deep pink through accents, bed linens, cushions, throws, or artwork. Red stimulates passion, while pink brings softness and nurturing love. Warm lighting. Swap harsh white lights with warm-toned lamps, Himalayan salt lamps, or even scented candles. Soft lighting instantly adds warmth and romantic energy. Fire symbols and decor. Bring in elements shaped like triangles, fire shape, or sun-themed objects, candles, or artwork that represents love and closeness. Strategic pairing. Feng Shui loves balance, so place items in pairs. 2 lamps, 2 cushions, or 2 bedside tables. This symbolizes harmony and equal partnership. Let's go deeper with some Feng Shui boosters that can help attract and maintain romantic energy. Flowers and crystals. Fresh red roses or orange tulips can uplift love chi. You can also add rose quartz or carnelian crystals on your nightstand. Declutter for desire. A cluttered bedroom equals blocked energy, especially under the bed. Clear it out to allow chi to flow and love to thrive. Mirror placement. A mirror should never reflect the bed directly. It can cause restlessness or invite a third party. But a mirror on the side wall, gently bouncing light, can enhance intimacy. Artwork matters. Choose romantic images, couples dancing, sunsets, or embracing figures. Avoid lonely or aggressive imagery. The fire element is a beautiful way to activate the heart center of your home and your relationships. But remember, balance is key. Don't overdo it with red or candles. Too much fire can burn. Instead, aim for intentional, subtle touches that invite connection, warmth, and emotional closeness. Want to learn more about how Feng Shui can transform your relationships? Let me know your current bedroom setup in the comments and I'll reply with personalized tips. And don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and share this with someone who could use a little spark in their love life. Remember, when your space flows, your love grows. See you in the next video.